unlimited moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. We're the ones in perfect harmony with all its leading peace. Can you feel the love tonight? You need to run too far, stealing through the night's uncertainties. Love is where we are. Perfect harmony with all its living things.
The world in perfect harmony with all its living things. That, my friends, is a time for joyous celebration. For when all things exist in balance, it is then that we are all